After some stressful days, or after some days where you've really felt like you've worked hard, there's nothing like being able to come back to a community of people who genuinely care about you.
Living Arts was instrumental in transitioning from high school to college because I am an international student from Nigeria. I found a community that even though everybody is so different, so diverse, we can all have similar interests and enjoy them together.
Having all of those people in one space is just such an incredible family to have. Living Arts is a really great way to understand that the university is really just open for anything you want to do.
Living Arts really provides you with a small community in a larger university, so it really helps kind of make this giant campus feel really small and personal.
Living Arts has particularly made Bursley a home for me. Being in Bursley is actually a lot of fun. It's a lot of cool people. It's a really large space.
We are a living learning community that's about creative problem solving through making. We provide a hands-on, tactile experience both inside and outside the classroom.
I think my favorite part about being Living Arts, Bursley and North Campus is really the access to all the facilities.
Yeah, it just brings the fun back into learning that you just usually don't get while in school. You get homework help from your peers that are often in the same classes, so even that becomes more fun. And then you get to goof off when you want to take a break. It's just a really fun culture.
Living Arts gave me some of those first tools to work towards how to be a good collaborator. It has this way of finding some of the most interesting people in the university and bringing them together.
If you're even considering Living Arts, that means that you've already got that kind of spark in you that you want to try to fan into a fire in a way.
The ability to meet all these professors outside your discipline and kind of learn from people that are on the cutting edge of whatever they study, and just seeing where all these different disciplines are going was extremely beneficial to me as a creative individual.
A lot of these fields requires a sense of innovation and working with each other, and that's something that a lot of students that didn't do Living Arts will miss.
Getting to see what other colleges do and the things that different students in different majors do, I found I got to see all the potential that I had never tapped into before.
The nature of work is changing. Students need to be skilled not only in their majors, but also in team collaboration and creativity and innovation. And Living Arts gives them a jump start to gaining those skills in college.
The Living Arts program is a wonderful, tiny little laboratory where everyone gets to peek inside of each other's brains and figure out more about what's going on.
There's always alumni coming back, coming to say hi, and that's really exciting for me, just that it's been so impactful for so many people, and I know that I will carry this experience with me through the rest of college.